Making a spindle only takes 2 pieces of wood, and I found this nice little round cross cup for the whorl and this dowel for the shaft. So it looks like the tree grew facing west and the middle isn't at the center. So I'm going to mark where I drill the hole right here. And for this project I'll use an 11/64 inch drill bit to start. And the battery's dead. I'll be right back. Okay, back in business. I've clamped my workpiece down. That's all it takes. And there we go. I fit the shaft through the whorl, and it really looks like a spindle. Guys, I just made this spindle, and now I'm out here in the city, and I'm making some yarn. So I tie a little knot at the top of my spindle, and then I keep going. Check it out.